Good morning guys, we just came to Doi Ithanon National Park in Chiang Mai. It's actually outside of the Chiang Mai. From Old City it will take around 2 hours by motorbike. It was exhausting ride. We got also fined 500 bahts from the police because I forgot home the international driving license. I have it home but I forgot it, so fine 500 baht. And if they catch you 3 days you don't pay anymore, but if they catch you again after 3 days from the fine date, you will have to pay again 500 baht. We just stopped in Vachiratan waterfall. It's in the national park here and I think it's looking very nice from here. We are going there, so let's go. So we are here in Doi Ithanon and you have here these two beautiful buildings and beautiful garden around, but we didn't expect so cold weather. It's just 11 degrees as you can see behind me, or now it's 10 degrees. And don't make the same mistake, I didn't took socks, so it's very cold, and just the jacket, so it's very cold here. But I think it's really amazing garden, maybe the most beautiful that I ever seen in Thailand, but with the sun and with hot weather it could be much better. And don't forget about the 20% discount on my course How to Edit Travel Video, Travel Vlogs. Link is here, discount code here, so use it until the end of January. We are going now back to Chiang Mai with our motorbike. It will be freezing again because it will take 2 hours to get back to Chiang Mai. So see you later. Good morning guys, so right now we are on way to Doi Suthep. It should be some beautiful temples, some waterfalls, and we are just in Suthep. It's a red car, it's like a truck with a place where like 10 people can sit. So this is the cheapest way how to get around Chiang Mai, because you pay just 30 baht per person and you can get all around. You have to negotiate with the drivers where they are going because they have different roads. So see you in Doi Suthep.